children. Today we are going to learn class 3rd science lesson number 9 measurements. In that we are going to learn now today page number 71. Okay children, let us open page number 71. Keep your fingers. Rulers, meters, rods and measuring tapes are used to measure a length. There are 100 centimeters in a 1 meter. 1 meter 100 centimeters are there. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. There are 10 millimeters in a 1 centimeter. Look at your scale carefully. You have to see your scale. You will find that each centimeter is divided into 10 equal smaller parts. Each of these small parts is 1 millimeter. Yum yum. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. The distance between two cities is measured in a kilometers. Kilometers. It is known as a kilometers. Km means kilometers. Each kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Each kilometer is equal to the 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Choose the correct option. You have to see the correct option. The length of the walls of the rooms is measured in a centimeter meter. The height of the textbook is measured in a centimeters millimeters. The distance between two towns is measured in a centimeter kilometer. Now we have to go through the activity. Activity 2. Find the length of the following using a measuring tape or a ruler. Length of your maths book. Length of your tiffin box. Length of your pencil box. Measurement of a weight. You must have seen your mother buying rice, dal and vegetables for your home. The shopkeeper or the vendor uses a common balance to weigh things. Nowadays, weighing is done by an electronic machine. Weighing is done by the electronic machine. The standard units for the measuring weights are grams, G, and kilograms, kg. Things that we buy in a large amount are usually measured in a kilograms, kg. Smaller amounts are measured in a grams, g. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Activity 3. Look for these objects at home and check the weight. Look for these objects at home and check the weight written on them. A packet of a dal. You have to see the dal packet weight. A bottle of a sauce. A pack of butter. A packet of jeera. Measurement of a capacity. Capacity is defined as the quantity of liquid which a container can hold. You must have seen different bottles of cold drinks. You may find small bottles for less measure of soft drink and big bottle for more measure. So, small bottles have less capacity and bigger bottles have a more capacity. The standard units for the measuring capacities are liters, milliliters, Small amounts of a liquid are measured in a millimeters and large amount are measured in a liters. Soft drinks bottles of a different measurements. The instruments used for measuring capacity of a liquid are measuring cans and measuring cylinders. Activity 4. Fill a 1 liter bottle with a water and find out how many full glasses of water you can pour out of the bottle. In this way, you can find out the measure of a 1 glass. Measurement of a time. We use a watch or a clock to know time. This helps us to measure time in hours, minutes and seconds. There are 60 seconds in a 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in a 1 hour. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Measurements of a temperature. A thermometer is an instrument used to measure the temperature of a body. Temperature is measured either in a centigrade scale or in the Fahrenheit scale. This is a digital thermometer. Okay. Now keywords. Non-standard units. Units that differ from a person to the person. Standard units. Units which are exactly the same way and accepted all over the world. Electronic balance. A digital balance used for the weighing things. Capacity. The quantity of liquid which a container can hold. Temperature, degree of hotness or coldness. So children, today's your homework is you have to read this lesson number 9 2 times. Okay.